West Bengal, it is TMC versus central agencies. Like you heard, after CBI raided a house and found arms and ammunition in large numbers from a house in Sandeshkhali, BJP has launched an attack at TMC, demanding the president's rule in the state. Shubhendu Adhikari has said that Mamata Bandyopadhyay-led party should be declared a terrorist organization. Also said that weapons recovered were used by international terrorists. The Saffron camp has also held Mamata responsible for the incident and demanded the arrest of the chief minister. Even lashed out at Bengal police for protecting TMC goons and giving a free run to Shahjahan Sheikh. Earlier on Friday, the CBI conducted a raid at a house in Sandeshkhali in connection with the officials' attack case and recovered a large number of arms, ammunition and explosives there. Interestingly, these arms were recovered from former TMC leader Shahjahan Sheikh's close aide. Mamata government has now moved Supreme Court against CBI probe into this matter.
সমস্ত ওয়েপেন্স গুলো বিদেশি এবং আরডিএক্স এর মতো বিস্ফোরক যেটা ভয়ঙ্কর দেশবিরোধী কাজে ব্যবহৃত হয় এবং হিজবুল মুজাহিদিন আইএস এর মতো গুন্ডারা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল টেররিস্টরা করে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসকে ব্যান ডিক্লেয়ার করে টেররিস্ট অর্গানাইজেশন হিসেবে ঘোষণা করার দাবি করছি মমতা ব্যানার্জি সোল রেসপন্সিবল মমতা ব্যানার্জিকে গ্রেফতার করে তৃণমূলকে জঙ্গি সংগঠন হিসেবে ঘোষণা করার দাবি राज्य विरोधी दलों नेता कुछ
ममता बनर्जी आप तो पुलिस मंत्री है, आपका पुलिस क्या कर रहा था? सो रहा था क्या? आज पता चला कि आज किस लिए ईडी और सीबीआई को संदेशखाली में घुसने नहीं दे रहे थे। अब क्या सोच रहे थे? ये सब जो आर्म्स एंड एमुनिशन है इसको इस्तेमाल करके आप सारे बंगाल में टेरर के करेंगे और इन लोग को काम पे लगा के आप वोट करवाएंगे। इसका जवाब बंगाल के लोग 4 जून को आपको देगा।
अभी तक सीबीआई ने ऑफिशियल कोई ब्रीफ नहीं किया और कोई तस्वीर कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स अभी हम लोग नहीं देखा, तो हम लोग ये देखना होगा कि ये बदनाम करने के लिए कोई हमारा कोई अपोजिशन यहाँ पर प्लांट कर दिया, वहां पर भेज दिया, फिर सीबीआई जा रहा है रिकवरी, ये एक नाटक है कि नहीं है ये देखना पड़ेगा। अगर किसी कंस्पिरेसी में वहां पर कोई रखा है वो आर्म्स, वो तो पुलिस को देखना चाहिए था।
जांच पड़ताल के दौरान कहीं अगर कोई कुछ मिले, कहीं विस्फोट मिलते हैं, कहीं हथियार मिलते हैं, वो भी विदेशी हथियार कहे जाते हैं, तो ये हथियार की जखीरा कहां से आ गए हैं ये सारे तो पुलिस की निगाहों में है, क्योंकि सारे सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी के बड़े बड़े गुंडों हैं। बंगाल में सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी और गुंडों, सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी और दरिंदों, इन लोगों के बीच एक नापाक रिश्ता है।
All right, going straight to Surya Agni Roy for more details on that story. Surya Agni right now is in Sandeshkhali getting us more. This is a huge hall. We put out the pictures for our viewers of the hall in Sandeshkhali. However, as expected, Surya Agni, politics has started over it. Just talk to us first about the investigations in this matter.
Well, the CBI is investigating the Sandeshkhali matter, after the High Court had, has asked the CBI to, take care of the investigation. That's the reason why last night or last afternoon the CBI arrived over here. And in a search raid, they found firearms and they found explosive as well. And that's the reason why, they wanted to detonate it, and that's the reason why they called the NSG over there. Now, following which, the detonation and the diffusion was all done by last night. But the Trinamool Congress was of the opinion that why was it that the NSG had to be called? Why couldn't the state bomb, the police, the Bengal police bomb squad could have been called by them as well? They are a very capable bomb squad as well. Now, and that's the reason why, they have written, like they as in the Trinamool Congress, they have written to the Election Commission of India, wherein they are alleging that the room where they found the firearms might have been an empty room, and this can be a political ploy by the BJP where they are using the CBI to defame the Trinamool Congress in the middle of the elections. Mind you, Mamata Banerjee, she was speaking just a while back in Asansol. Even then, and we can even quote her that she went all out on the BJP and also the NSG and the CBI. That even if a chocolate bomb explodes rather. The central government will send, rather the BJP will send a host of teams, be it the NSG or the NIA or the CBI or the ED. She also pointed out that whether or not there was another conspiracy behind this, that just like the letter mentions, that an empty room could have been, foul play could have happened and arms or explosives could have been put in it by the CBI or the NSG. So the war of words is continuing.
Right.
It's election season, Sneha. We have also seen how the BJP has demanded for a president's rule. So the allegations, counter allegations amidst this particular incident, it's heated up just like the weather over here. Back to you.
All right, just like the weather. Thanking you, Surya Agni, for the moment, for getting us those details. Weren't expecting anything different when it comes to this controversy. As far as West Bengal Chief Minister attacking the centre over these allegations over the recovery of ammunition here is concerned.